So let's add a clustered column chart. I'm just going to put that under the slicer and do it the same size. Drop down a little bit. So we want to count the accident number, which is the second field under the accident table. I'm just going to drop that into the value. And we just want the day of the week. So there's day week description. And we can just drop that into the axes. Now it is sorting incorrectly, or it's sorting by highest to largest when really we want it by day of the week. In the next module, we're going to use a date calendar. So I will save that for the next module. So make a note of that, and I'll show you how to use a date calendar and how to sort by a different field than what is in the actual chart. So I'm just going to add some title labels, and we can just leave that as it is.